This week is Severe Weather Awareness Week. We have a Wednesday Weather Wonder asking a question about severe storms.
And we are 5th graders in Mrs. Winter's class at Besser School.
Our Wednesday weather question is,
what is the difference between a microburst and a tornado?
And that's our Wednesday weather question.
Thanks for sending that in. This week's Wednesday Weather Wonder comes from Miss Winter's 5th grade class at Besser Elementary. And the question asks, what is the difference between a microburst and a tornado? So first we're going to take a look at a microburst, and that's when a sudden gust of wind descends from a thunderstorm cloud and spreads out as it hits the surface. There is no rotation in a microburst, and the area affected by the potentially damaging winds is less than 2.5 miles across. But with a tornado, we have something called wind shear, and that's when wind speed and direction changes with height. So for example, the wind speed a little bit above the ground is much stronger than the winds near the ground, and that sets up a current of air that spins like a rotating log. Then in the case of a tornado, as a rotating updraft gets involved, that tilts that rotating air vertically into a column. And with that rotating air, if we get those violent rotating winds in contact with the ground, then that's when we have a tornado. Differences between a microburst and a tornado include tornadoes have rotating wind, but microbursts have straight line wind. Damage from a microburst usually falls in the same direction, almost like a line of dominoes. A tornado warning is issued only if a tornado is likely, but if there's the potential for a microburst, that it gets included in a severe thunderstorm warning. But the similarities are that tornadoes and microbursts can both produce damaging winds. Microbursts can cause the same damage as an EF0, EF1, or EF2 tornado, with the potential for sudden wind speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. They both sound loud and can damage property, and both require shelter at the lowest floor of a sturdy building in the most interior spot. And that is this week's Wednesday Weather Wonder. We are looking for students who are learning about the weather to send in a weather question on video, and you can send those videos to weather@WBKB11.com.